Understanding bob and weave, a key phrase in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, bob and weave. This expression is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your grasp of the English language. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning behind this interesting phrase. The term, bob and weave, originates from the world of boxing. It refers to a quick, rhythmic movement where a boxer bobs, moves their head down and back up, and weaves, moves their head side to side. This technique is used to avoid punches and is crucial for defense in boxing. In everyday English, bob and weave is used metaphorically. It describes navigating through challenges or difficulties in life or work. For instance, when someone says, "I had to bob and weave through the busy crowd," it means they had to skillfully move through a crowded place, similar to how a boxer avoids punches. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In his new job, John had to bob and weave through various office politics. 2. During the sale, shoppers were bobbing and weaving to get the best deals. 3. As a journalist, she learned to bob and weave through tough questions. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of bob and weave. Remember, it's not just a boxing term, but a versatile phrase that can add flair to your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't forget to bob and weave through the challenges of learning a new language. Until next time, happy learning!